Hello students, today we begin with the new lesson, that is On Wings of Courage, Unit 1.3, Part 1. On Wings of Courage, it is a biography. This is the lesson about an officer of Air Force, Marshal Arjan Singh, an icon of India's military history and a war hero. Marshal of the Indian Air Force Arjan Singh, DFC, the date it is mentioned 15th April 1919 to 16th September 2017. He was worked as DFC, was a senior officer of the Indian Air Force. He served as the third chief of the Air Staff from 1964 to 1969, leading the Air Force through the Indo-Pakistani War of 1965. He was the first and only officer of the Indian Air Force (IAF) to be promoted to 5-star rank as Marshal of the Indian Air Force, equal to the Army rank of Field Marshal. Singh joined the Royal Air Force College, Cranwell, at the age of 19 and graduated in 1939. Remaining information or the more information we are going to know through this biography. Now, before I begin the lesson, let us know the meanings, which is very important to know to understand the lesson. Now, I will read the meanings. Potent means powerful and effective. Monumental, of great importance. Epitome, a perfect example. Assiduously means working hard and showing careful attention. Commending means officially praising. Students, now all these meanings you have to write in your notebook. Now let me begin the lesson on Wings of Courage, means a biography of Arjan Singh, an Air Force Marshal. Page number 15. If you have the textbook, you can refer page number 15 of the textbook. Air Force Marshal Arjan Singh, an icon of India's military history, will always be remembered as a war hero who had successfully led a young IAF, Indian Air Force, during the 1965 Indo-Pak War. That means Arjan Singh, an icon of India's military history. He was known as an icon because he had taken initiative. He had played a great role during the Indo-Pak War in 1965. The only officer to attain the highest post of marshal, he was the only officer, Arjan Singh was the only officer to attain the highest post of marshal, the Air Force, equivalent to the Army's 5-star Field Marshal. Now, he attained the highest post of marshal, which is equal to the Army's 5-star Field Marshal. Singh was a fearless and exceptional pilot who had flown more than 60 different types of aircraft. Here we get the clear information about his fearlessness. He was a fearless and exceptional pilot. Nobody was there. We cannot compare to any other person or any other officer except Arjan Singh. He played a major role in transforming the IAF into one of the most potent air forces. Potent means powerful and effective. He played a major role in bringing the changes in the Indian Air Force. into one of the most potent air forces globally and the fourth biggest in the world. IAF is known, Indian Air Force is known as more powerful and effective and the fourth biggest in the world. What was the contribution of Arjun Singh? His contribution to the Indian Air Force is monumental. Monumental means which is very great importance to the least. The IAF grew with him. He was the epitome. Epitome means a perfect example of military leadership. He was a leader. He brought a complete changes, transformed the IAF during his duty. The IAF grew with him. It was told that the IAF grew with him means he brought ample changes, transformed IAF. He was the epitome of military leadership in classical sense, and it is therefore not surprising that he was honored with the rank of Air Force Marshal. His dedication, his fearlessness, his contribution, and his exceptional personality made him the great officer, made him and honored with the rank of Air Force Marshal. That is, former Vice Chief of IAF Kapil Kak said, the former Vice Chief of IAF Kapil Kak said, Singh was honored with the rank of Marshal on the Republic Day in 2002. Sam Hormuzji, Framji, Jamshedji, Manik Shaw and K.M. Kariappa were the only two army generals honored with the rank of Field Marshal. So far, only two officers were honored with the rank of Field Marshal. You know, Sam Hormuzji, Framji, Jamshedji, Manik Shaw and K.M. Kariappa. After that, the third person was honored, that is none other than Arjun Singh. He was known as a man of few words, that means very few words used to speak. Singh was not only a fearless pilot but also had a profound knowledge about air power and applied it in a whole spectrum of areas. He had ample of knowledge. He was a perfect pilot. And Singh had assiduously led the IAF. Assiduously means he worked very hard. He worked carefully. He showed all the details. Led the IAF during the 1965 war. War was broke out between Indo-Pak, India and Pakistan in 1965. Great contribution was done by Arjun Singh and denied success to Pakistani Air Force, though it was better equipped with American support. During that time, 1965, there was a Indo-Pak war and Pak was supported. It was better equipped, supported, supplied various defensive, the weapons. So it was better equipped. Pakistan was better equipped with American support. Though there was a support by the powerful nation, Arjun Singh fearlessly faced the situation. His most outstanding contribution was during that war, said Kak. This was expressed by Kak. So, commending his role in the war, Y.B. Chavan, the then defense minister, had written. Now, this was the explanation, a statement made by Defense Minister Y.B. Chavan. Air Marshal Arjun Singh is a jewel of a person, quite efficient and firm, unexcitable but a very able leader. Arjun Singh was praised by the Defense Minister, saying that he is a jewel of a person, quite efficient and firm, unexcitable but a very able leader. In 1944, Marshall had led the squadron against the Japanese. And The Marshall had led a squadron against the Japanese during the Arakan campaign, flying close air support missions during the crucial Impal campaign, and later assisted the advance of the Allied forces to Yangon. Now, this Yangon is formerly known as Rangoon. So, in 1944, Marshall had led a squadron against the Japanese during the Arakan campaign, flying close air support missions during the crucial Impal campaign, and later assisted the advance of the Allied forces to Yangon. Now, in the first paragraph only, I have explained you the meaning of the certain words. You have to go through very carefully. That's very important meanings, and it is essential to know the biography of Arjun Singh. See, dear students, you have to read the lesson once again. It's a simple lesson. It's a biography and easy to understand. So here I am not going to explain you much, because questions you have to think and write, and you have to refer the textbook without fail. It's just an information, clear information about Arjun Singh it is given. And there are more two parts we are going to study in the next lecture. Now, on this page number 15, I have given certain assignments which is based on that. When you solve the assignment, please go through the textbook, read it carefully. I have given from the textual questions, textual assignment, and you have to work it on that. Now, page number 18, question number 1 and 2, I have given. Then question number 3 and 4, page number 19. This is an assignment I have given you to solve. And when you solve, you write the question number clearly, and once again I will tell you, follow the textbook. At the last I have written, follow the textbook, page number 18 and 19 while solving the assignment. Now, since it is biography, it's very easy to understand. Read the lesson carefully and solve the assignment. We'll meet in the next lecture.